Hey Samantha, have you been studying for the group dynamics test coming up?
Yeah, I have. How about you?
Same here. I've been reading about cohesion and I'm not quite sure I understand it. Can you help me out?
Sure, Ed. Cohesion refers to the level of unity and cooperation within a group. It's the extent to which members of a group stick together and work towards a common goal.
Oh, I see. So, a group with high cohesion is one where everyone works well together and is committed to the group's goals, right?
Exactly. High cohesion can lead to better group performance and improved decision-making. But it's important to note that cohesion can also have negative effects if it leads to groupthink or a lack of diversity in ideas.
I see, so it's a balance. Thanks for explaining it to me, Samantha.
No problem, Ed. Good luck on the test.